Imagine starting a new job with all the right tools and knowledge from day one. How powerful would that be? That's the power of a well-crafted workplace induction video. Hello and welcome to My Safety Hub, your go-to source for all things health and safety. Today we're diving into an essential tool that sets the stage for safety and success from the very start: workplace induction videos. These videos are not just about welcoming new employees, they're about empowering them with the knowledge and mindset needed for a safe and productive start. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of you new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel a lot. Induction videos are more than just a warm welcome to new hires. They are a foundational step in building a strong safety culture from the moment an employee joins the team. Let's break down why these videos are so crucial. Firstly, induction videos serve a critical purpose. They ensure that every new employee receives consistent, accurate information about their new workplace. This uniformity is key in avoiding misunderstandings and establishing clear expectations from day one. Moreover, these videos make the onboarding process more efficient. Instead of repeating one-on-one sessions, a video delivers the same message to every viewer, saving time and resources. Induction videos also play a pivotal role in compliance. They ensure that all regulatory safety protocols are clearly communicated. This is crucial for industries where safety compliance is not just best practice, but a legal requirement. A well-structured induction video typically includes several key components. First, safety procedures. Detailed explanations of the safety protocols specific to the workplace. Next, company policies. Information on company policies, including codes of conduct, harassment policies, and disciplinary procedures. Then we have cultural norms. An introduction to the company culture and values, helping new hires feel integrated and valued from the start. By incorporating these elements, induction videos not only inform but also engage new employees, setting them up for success and ensuring they understand their role in maintaining a safe work environment. Creating an engaging and informative induction video is key to its effectiveness. Let's go through some essential steps to ensure your video not only informs but also captivates your new hires. Start with planning the content. Define the key messages you want to convey and organize them logically. It's crucial to balance the need for comprehensive information with the need to keep the video engaging. Break down complex information into digestible segments and use clear, concise language to ensure understanding across a diverse audience. When it comes to production, quality matters. High-quality visuals and clear audio are essential for maintaining viewer engagement and ensuring the information is conveyed clearly. Consider using a mix of talking heads, animated graphics, and real-life footage to keep the video dynamic and interesting. Employ subtitles to enhance accessibility and ensure comprehension for all employees. Also keep the video length in mind. Aim for a duration that is long enough to cover all necessary information, but short enough to keep attention. Typically, a well-rounded induction video should be between 5 to 15 minutes. Finally, effectively integrating your induction video into the onboarding process is crucial. Don't just play it as its standalone item. Follow it up with interactive sessions where new hires can ask questions or discuss the content. This integration helps reinforce the information and allows for deeper engagement with the material. By following these guidelines, your induction video will not only serve as a critical tool for compliance and safety training, but will also help foster a sense of belonging and understanding amongst new employees. Today, we've explored the crucial role of workplace induction videos in setting the stage for a safe, informed, and cohesive start for new employees. These videos are more than just a formality. They're an investment in the safety and integration of every new team member. By crafting engaging, informative, and well-produced induction videos, you not only comply with safety regulations, but also build a foundational understanding of your company's culture and expectations. This approach not only enhances the onboarding experience, but also contributes to a safer and more productive workplace. If you're looking to revamp or create an induction video for your organization, consider the tips we've discussed today. And if you have your own success stories or challenges with induction videos, we'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Your insights could help others on the journey to improve workplace safety and culture. And as always, stay safe, stay inspired, and until next time, take care.